The greatest leader of all time, the greatest leader of all time, the leader of the biggest country of all time, Putin, 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 Putin is a gangster, thus the G thing. Putin gets gains whenever he walks into the gym. He does not even have to lift a weight. This is because he is so great. He built the gym with his mind alone. Putin can fly in the gorgeous Russian sky. This means he can defy gravity. This also means that he is a superhero. He is the most powerful superhero of all time. He once killed Superman and then brought him back to life because he felt bad. He did not kill other superheroes because he felt generous. Putin is a gangster, AG thing.